morning, Cat.
We are
Cats on!
Good morning, Cats. I'm Keyshawn.
I didn't see all that. All right, I'm Trisman. Let's get right into some Cats Eye TV news.
Starting off, our audition for the Spring Playing Musical will be held on November 25th and 26th with callback scheduled for December 4th. Students will know whether they need to attend callbacks by the end of the day on the 26th, and just in case, it will also be posted on Canvas.
A workshop to prepare for the auditions will be held on November 19th from 4 to 6 p.m. Make sure to come out and support your peers.
Next week, MSDOT will host a blood drive next Monday, November 11th from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. at the LECC. The donation process takes less than an hour. It is recommended that donors have a light snack before donating. Most people are eligible to donate. There are very few causes for you to be defined and very few medications that are not acceptable.
Wildcats, the Lawrencetown Central Transportation Department needs your help. We need some good individuals to fill the driver's seat of our school buses and help get our students to and from practice or games on time. They offer $22 an hour, paid training and paid CDL physicals, and an excellent bonus program. Spread the word.
A big thanks to Alibi's Grill, located at Shaylin Station, right on Shaylin Avenue between 71st and 75th Street. Alibi's is the official after-game location of LN football and longtime supporter of LN athletics. Come on in for cold drinks, wings, burgers, and their outstanding pizza after the games.
And now, on to our weather and commercial break with Mr. Don't Need Introduction.
What it do, Cats? It's your boy Big Rob.
And Mr. Don't Need No Introduction. Now let's get to it with some weather for the day. Well, today's weather is going to be a high of 37 degrees with a low of 23 with a humidity of 54%. And before school is going to be partially cloudy with the temperature of 22 degrees. After school is going to be mostly cloudy with a temperature of 38 degrees.
For the 7-day forecast, the high will be ranging between the high 30s and low 40s. For the low, it'll be ranging between mid 20s and low 30s.
Today, at 7:30, sectional championship at Warren Central High School, theme whiteout. Come support our football team, watch us move on to regionals, and we'll get this dub. And that's all we have for you today.
I'm Big Rob.
Y'all know me. Have a great day. Back to the anchors.
now with the sports. The Ellen versus Warren football games tonight at Warren is a rematch to compete for the IHSAA Sectional Championship. The tickets are on sale in the athletic office for $6. It starts at 7, so make sure to be there to support our team. The theme is Whiteout. Tomorrow at 12:30, get ready for our fantastic cheerleaders. Let's go out to Newcastle and cheer on our cheerleaders while they compete for the state title.
The Illinois Dance Recital was on November 14th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Our choir performance will be held on November 27th at Lawrence North. The time is to be announced later.
Attention Wildcats, get your official licensed Ellen gear at the Ellen Sideline store. Lawrence Township Schools have teamed up with Adidas and Team Pride Athletics to provide our athletes and fans with official licensed Ellen apparel. Check out the official website at https://lawrencenorth.itemorder.com/sale.
Move with Athletes, a new IHSAA physical consent form for the 2019-2020 school year must be on file with the athletic office. This is required every year. Both of these forms are required for any student athletes for the 2019-20 school year. This includes summer workouts, open gym, conditioning, practice, tryouts, and any type of competition. No student athlete will be permitted to work out until these requirements are completed and submitted.
Period. Just sending a reminder to our community event this Saturday at LECC from 1 to 4 p.m. celebrating the Day of the Dead. Please see the attached flyer for the details. We will have many Lawrence Township students and community partners participating. Fun for the entire family. Please advertise this community event. See the flyers attached. There will be crafts and performances, food, and community partners giving information, and giveaways too. Thank you.
College dress next Tuesday. Illinois of Chicago will be here at Ellen at 9:30 a.m. Bethel University at 3 p.m. Next Wednesday, Northern Kentucky University at 9:30 a.m. and Ashland University at 11:15 a.m. next Thursday in the guidance office. Make sure to attend any of these college rep meetings.
Last but not least, seniors. If you have not had your senior taken, Prestige Portraits will be here Monday and Tuesday in the Little Theater. Please stop by during those days to get your senior pictures taken for the yearbook. It will be free and cost to seniors who have not yet had their picture taken.
And that's all for today's episode. Have a great day and go Cats!
Hi, I'm Layla. I'm Deasia. I'm Alex. I'm Trissa. I'm Elise. I'm Joy. I'm Rachel. Come out to Newcastle High School this Saturday around 12 p.m. to support your Ellen cheerleaders as we compete in our state competition. Cats on 3. 1, 2, 3, Cats!